Hi everyone, in this video we will solve square root of c square divided by c equals 7. Determine the value of c. So we will start the solution of this question. There are two methods to solve this question. In method 1, we will cross multiply. So it will be square root of c square equals 7c. Now take the square on both sides of the equation equals 7c square. Square root cancel with square. We have c square is equal to 7 square is 49 and this is c square. Now subtract both sides by 49 c square minus 49 c square equals 0. We have to find the value of c. So taking c square common, 1 minus 49 equals 0, that is minus 48 c square equals 0. Divide both sides by minus 48 cancel. We have c square is equal to 0, or the final value of c is 0. Now we will put this value of c in a given equation to verify. We are given square root of c square divided by c equals 7. So square root of 0 square by 0, 7. But this is 0 by 0 undefined form, which is not equal to 7. So this is basically undefined form, indeterminate form. So no solution possible for the given equation. And this value of c equals 0 is extraneous root. The root which does not satisfy the original equation is called extraneous root, because it does not satisfy left hand side equal to right hand side. Now we move to the method 2, which is the very simplest and to the point, very direct. Square root of c square divided by c equals 7. Square cancel with square root. C by c equals 7. 1 is equal to 7. Now 1 is not equal to 7. So from this method we also say that no solution exists. And also we cannot find the value of, say, we get the value of c in the method 1, but this is extraneous root which does not satisfy. And that's all from this question. I hope you understand both of these methods. If you know any other method, then please share this method in comment. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon so that you get the notification of my new daily videos. Thank you for watching. Okay, bye.